Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to create a coded action to allow camera rotation in this top-down template while pressing the middle mouse button. So usually I would need the mouse for aiming, but I had earlier set up two keys in the keyboards to rotate the camera. But it's not very convenient because I have to keep my fingers on WSAD on left hand, and mouse I have to keep the right hand on the mouse. So what I'm gonna do here is, while I press middle mouse button, dragging the mouse would rotate the camera like this. So it allows me to look around. And if I'm not pressing the middle mouse button, the character will just keep aiming like this. So we are going to set up this behavior with the coded action in the enhanced input system. Right, so before we get started, let me remind you that you can download the project files of this project and all other thousands of projects I have done in my channel from the Patreon page. Once you become a member, you will be able to access everything without any limits. So feel free to check it out. And here is the full playlist of the top-down series. So I have implemented everything from scratch, what you see here. So feel free to check it out. I'll leave the link to this also in the description below. And now let's get back to today's tutorial. Okay, so right now, if I want to rotate, I have set up this brackets keys in the keyboard to do that, but that's not very convenient because usually I use WSAD for movements and mouse is for aiming. So if I have to go to the brackets, then it's not very convenient when I play with keyboard and mouse. So what I want to do is, here, if I press middle mouse button and drag the mouse, I need to rotate the character while I am pressing middle mouse and dragging the mouse. So for that, I'm gonna set up a coded action. What do you call a coded action in enhanced input system? So my inputs are here. IMC player. This is my input mapping context. Close other stuff, and here this rotate camera, left bracket and right bracket. This is what I'm using right now. So I'm gonna change this. Let me open this. I'm gonna change this into axis 1D. Yeah, it's already axis 1D. No need to change anything. And then I'll remove this and add, oh wait, did I remove everything? Yeah. Instead of the right bracket, I will choose mouse X, so horizontal dragging of mouse. And under this, what's this now? I don't need any modifiers. Under a trigger, I'll add a coded action. So here, I need to define another input that uses middle mouse button. So let's add a new input action. Let's call it IA. Enable camera rotation. It's a digital bool, no need to change anything for that. And then here I'll add as the code action, enable camera rotation. Okay, and then I need to define the key for the enable camera rotation as well. And the key is middle mouse button. Okay, like this. Alright, now my camera rotation is defined as I remember in the player controller. Right here. So here I have this, where is it? No, actually not in controller, it's defined here in the top-down camera manager. Okay, here. So here I have this get IA camera, IA rotate camera, but now if I just play, I don't think this would work yet. See, here it's already rotating. Here right now I'm not pressing the middle mouse button, but still it's rotating. So I don't need that. I only need to rotate while I press the middle mouse button. So therefore, instead of getting the value like this, let me break it here and go back. Here I'll add this IA rotate camera, extend. I'll promote this to a variable, rotate camera input, and if this is cancelled or completed, I'll set this value back to 0. Now here I'll use that value. Okay, now see, now I'm moving the camera, but it's not rotating the camera. I'm moving the mouse, but it's not rotating the camera. But if I press the middle mouse and move the mouse, now you can see it's moving. So yeah, this is exactly what I needed. And I can aim without pressing the middle mouse button and moving the mouse, but also I can rotate the camera if I keep the middle mouse button pressed while I am rotating. So this is very convenient for me for the gameplay. Alright, so this is all I want to do in this episode. So thanks for watching. As always, updated project files will be available for download here in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments. See you in another episode. Goodbye.